हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग लिस्ट। चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। साथ ही में बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे एंड मुझे भी एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डीजी शिपिंग IGFA एंड IGFE बेसिक, दैट इज़ बेसिक एंड एडवांस ट्रेनिंग फॉर शिप्स यूजिंग फ्यूल covered within the IGF code. Combined question and answer set. Number 1. Question 1. In relation to ship's boiler thermodynamics, identify an incorrect statement. The correct answer is D. Enthalpy can be expressed as total which must be measured from absolute zero. Question number 2. What should be the typical content of oxygen in inert gas produced by inert gas generator on board an LNG carrier? तो करेक्ट आंसर है 0.5%. Question number 3. SDS sheets indicates synonyms of cargo carried. Which of the below are synonyms of methane? So correct answer is fire damp, marsh gas and MTH. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is true for an ideal gas according to Gay-Lussac's law? If P is pressure, T is temperature and it is constant, and V is volume. So correct answer is C. Pressure is equal to constant into temperature. Question number 5. A gas has to be cooled below its critical temperature to be liquefied. Choose correct one from the below. So correct answer is D, true. Question number 6. During heat transfer from one body to another, what transfer takes place? Correct answer is D, energy. Question number 7. In steam raising process in the boiler, see the points on specific volume/pressure diagram in the following figure and identify the incorrect statement. So here incorrect statement is A to B, no heat addition in boiler. Question number 8. In SDS, appearance, that is physical state, color, etc., order threshold, pH value, melting point, freezing point, flash point, etc., are covered under. Correct answer is C. Physical and chemical properties. Question number 9. In retention to fuel, question number 9 is in relation to ship's boiler, identify an incorrect statement. So correct answer is E. All three forms of heat transmission do not occur in the boiler simultaneously. Question number 10. Heavier fractions of NGL are composed of. So correct answer is C. Pentane, naphtha, natural gasoline and condensate. Question number 11. The state of substance can be altered by without altering its temperature using heat called. Answer is B. Latent heat. Question number 12. Dash is an action where state of liquid is changed into vapor or gas. Correct answer is boiling. Question number 13. The main purpose blank gas is calibration of gas detector. So answer is A. Span gas. It is used for gas detector calibration. Question number 14. When droplets of liquid are taken over into suction unit of compressor and are sucked into in. Correct answer is B. Wet suction. Question number 15. Saturated vapor pressure increases with dash in pressure. Correct answer is rise. Question number 16. What is fitted to at the end of outlet of the main and forcing steam vaporizers to ensure stable output and to avoid accumulation? The correct answer is A. Revaporizer. Question number 17. Mole of, it's not hydrogen, it's hydrogen, sorry for the typing error, is. Answer is 2. Question number 18. Saturated hydrocarbon produce dash and water vapor on burning with air and or oxygen. So correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 19. Which of the following statement on 4-stroke DFDE gensets is true? The correct answer is A. They have much higher thermal efficiency compared to 2-stroke slow speed diesel. Question number 20. The process of changing mixture in tank is. Correct answer is A. Weathering. Question number 21. A drip tray must be placed under manifold flanges to prevent cold LNG spill on. Answer is B. Hull plate. Question number 22. Strainers are usually designed for. Answer is A. One-way flow. Question number 23. In some cases, level switch protection and liquid vaporizing source are used along with the dash collection. Correct answer is C. Liquid. Question number 24. A dash vaporizer is required for immediate inerting because deliveries are in liquid form. So correct answer is nitrogen. Question number 25. LNG vapors loaded in tanks of dash temperatures. Correct answer is B. Ambient. Question number 26. Dash process operates by splitting air into its component gases by sending compressed air above hollow fiber membrane. Correct answer is air separation. Question number 27. The recent survey of ship owners by Lloyd's Register of Shipping indicates only small amount of cruise ships will use LNG fuel. How many such ships were estimated? So correct answer is 230. Question number 28. There dash items on MSDS. So total number of 16 items are on MSDS. Question number 29. Certain organs like dash may be severely affected by inhalation of cold vapors. So correct answer is A. Lung. Question number 30. Soft dash clothes are used for covering the frozen parts of skin. Correct answer is C. Woolen. So thank you very much for watching this video and best of luck for the examination. वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि सबको हेल्प हो जाए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना ना भूलिए.